Okay, all. Today we are going to discuss about user management in Microsoft Admin Center. We will going through a basic overview of how admins can create a new user and delete a user and so much. So get started. First of all, open an internet browser and type admin.microsoft.com. So I'm typing admin.microsoft.com. Okay. Okay, so here a sign-in page will be appear. Here enter your admin credentials like admin email ID and password. So I type my admin email ID. Okay. Then type password. Okay, after typing email ID and password, we will be entered to Microsoft Admin Center. So you can see this is the first interface of the Microsoft Admin Center when we logged in. So here you can see the user management tab. Here you can see some options like add user, edit a user, reset password. Okay, so if you want to add a new user into your organization, click the add user button. So after clicking the add user button, you can see the basic options from here, the basics, product license, optional settings, and finish. These are the 4 steps you want to complete for creating a new user. So these are the basic options like first name, last name, display name, email ID like username, and the password settings. So I'm going to create a new user here. So I'm type the first name as demo, last name as user. Okay, when I click the display name, the first name and last name will be combined and automatically enter. So if you want to edit the display name, you can edit from here. I edited the display name and I select a username like demo user. Okay, so it's checking the username availability. So this would be the user's email ID, demo user at Techno Dot Academy. Techno Dot Academy is our organization's domain. Okay, so when we come to here, there will be password settings. There will be 2 options like auto generate password and let me create the password. Auto generate password is when we enable auto generate password, the system will be automatically create a password for this user. And if you want to create your own password for this user, just click let me create the password option and type a password. So I'm typing a password. Okay, I given a password, and there would be 2 options like require this user to change their password when they first sign in. When we tick this option, the created user can set their own password on their first login. Okay, so when we tick this option, the user can set their own password when they first log into their account using this email ID. So if you want to assign your own password, just be given before here to use permanently on this user, just untick the option, so the user can use the password we created before permanently. So I untick the options, and this option is called send password in email upon completion. When we select this option, there is an option for giving email ID. So the created password will be sent to given email ID. So I don't want this option, so I untick it and just click next. So in this section it will be going to license options. You can select the locations from here and your purchased license will be shown here. Okay, so you can assign a product license for this user, and also you can create a user without license by clicking this option called create user without product license. Okay, so I assign a product license, like so I'm creating a demo user with for students. So I select this license for students, Office 365 even for students. Okay, now I will click next. Okay, these are the optional settings, like the user's profile information. If you want to enter the profile information, you can enter from here, like job title, department, office, and other such things. It's not mandatory, it's an optional settings. If you want to edit, you can edit or leave it. Just I'm just leave it and then click next. So this all we can review the details from here. We can edit the display name and username. Also we can edit passwords, license, and all other things. So when we set all of this thing, we can click finish adding. Okay, so after finishing the setup, the user will be created. Okay, now we can see that demo user added to active users. You can see the details from here. You can show the passwords by clicking show option. Okay, all the details can be seen from here, and choose close. Okay, so now the user is created. We can select the user and see the details of the user from the left side menu. You can see there's a users option. From there, select active users. From there you can see the previously added users for your organization, like this, and their details from here, username, license, and all of this. And you can search users from this search option. So I'm searching for my newly created user by typing demo user. Sorry. Okay, so this is our user that we created before. When I click this user, I can see the details of the users from here. Okay, these are the details of this user. The display name of the users. You can change photo from here. The account details. If you want to assign a role for this user, you can choose it from here, manage roles option. If you want to add this user to a group, you can change it from here. And the first name, last name, all the details can be seen from here. And other options like devices, license, mail, one-way options. Okay, so if you want to reset this user's password, you can reset by clicking this reset password option, and you can select a password and reset the user's password. And also you can block sign in option for these users from here by selecting this option, block sign in. Okay, so if you want to delete a user, just select the user from the active user section, and you can see all other options from here also. And from here you can select delete user option and select that, and by choosing the correct options, you can select the delete user option from here and delete the user. So I'm deleting the created demo user from here by selecting delete user. Okay, so the user has been deleted. You can see from here that license is unassigned and the user account is deleted. So if you completed all these steps, just close the options by selecting close option. Okay, So you deleted the user from now. So okay, so today all of these are all of these for today. Okay, thank you.